Step 1. Mounting white armrests. Mount the white armrest basic on the adjacent seat element. Distinguish between these three possibilities. A. White armrest to a glider or vario. Please note the enclosed mounting instructions. Turn the connector pin to the armrest. Attach the two brackets to the side of the seat element. Lay the seat element on the side. The armrest is mounted from above. Insert the connector pin above and push the armrest to the bottom. Attach the armrest by tightening the angles from below. Place the seat upright. B. White armrest to a relax. The armrest is also mounted from above on relax. Attach the two brackets with screws to the side of the seat element. Attach the U-hook to the armrest so it faces the bottom. Insert the armrest onto the seat element from above. Put the hook on the side wall. Attach the armrest by tightening the angles from below. C. White armrest to a standard element. A standard element is similar. Turn the connector pin into the armrest. Attach the two brackets to the side of the seat element. Insert the connector pin from above into the fitting and push the armrest towards the bottom. Attach the armrest by tightening the angles from below. Turn the support leg into the thread under the seat element.